Hey friends, if you encounter the error control panel is not opening in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to restart Windows Explorer. And how will you do that? Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. Wait for the list to load, right click on Windows Explorer and select Restart. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. The last solution is to restart the software protection service. Search for services in the Windows search bar and go to services. Wait for the list to load. Scroll down to the software protection service. Right click on it and start it, or if it's started then restart it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.